going on, guys? It's MC Leo here, or MC Leo Galena. I'm with Zane and Teddy, and we're going around downtown Dearborn wheeling. I got a little new setup today to cover my face from the cops. Bro, well, Mr. Cody White, man, I'm watching out for you, bro. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Anybody could recognize those pink hands.
You're right. Oh, there's a truck.
Oh, this parking lot?
Right here, yeah.
I did an 80 in here, and no.
Oh, fuck. I love this parking lot. See, there's cones everywhere because of us. This is where I crashed. I crashed right here. Play back the clip. Ow. Yeah.
When we used to just go.
What's up?
We just kept on going to abandoned places.
Yeah. Oh shit. What is this, chat? Should we go down there?
Literally.
Hell no.
Huh? Let's go down there, Teddy. Why?
I don't know.
You'll go down?
I mean, if you're gonna go down there, don't take your bike with you.
Yeah. Toss your bike down. What was that?
No, that's not the display.
What the hell? Hell no. Detour. Oh shit, we gotta go down there. Oh. Oh, hell no. That's some creepy ass shit. That's some creepy ass shit for sure. Yeah. Hold up, what are you doing? Yo. You're crazy. Oh, what is that? What is that? Was it a cocoon? Ugh. No, that's disgusting. Bro. Yeah. Oh, why is it getting smaller? What the fuck? Caution. Oh, there's cars up here though, so I think we're good. What's with the pipes? Oh, damn. Oh, what's over here?
We went racing down and we're
Oh, we're at the top. You know, I've never been up here. I've never. This is a nice view. The neighborhoods. Ford Field. I'm pretty sure you can see the tennis courts from over here. No, but you can see that house. You think I'd survive that?
What?
This is a nice place to chill. Is this open?
Don't.
Yo, guys. You wanna go in here? Remember we used to do this shit? Oh, I'm gonna do the Teddy special. Ooh. I remember when you guys used to break down those.
Camera right there.
I got a mask.
You don't.
Yeah, I don't. There's freaking two Bentleys right there chilling.
Oh, Bentley.
You think I would die if you jump off?
Pretty sure, yeah.
Oh, hell no.
You're scared of heights?
I don't like heights.
I'll sit on this one right now.
I won't.
Huh?
I won't.
Let's sit on this.
Do it.
No, don't do it.
Do it.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Do it. Do it.
Don't do it.
Do it.
By the way, if you listen to this dumbass, you're gonna pick it.
I guess we're the dumbasses. Oh, shit. That is a crazy ass house, though. I can't even lie.
Yeah, well, look at these nice houses, and the rest is just. Damn.
Where are those windows? They are. Shit.
Yeah, but next thing you know, Jason from Friday the 13th just starts running up those stairs.
Oh, hell no. I'm gonna wheelie this, did it though? Huh? Oh shit. I mean, I'd sit right here. Fuck yeah.
Well,
Look at the edge.
I can land on my feet if I jump down.
oh, you are gonna break your leg.
My balls.
Just so you know, if you jump and land crookedly, you're GG.
Look at my shoe.
Oh yeah, dude. Bro's gonna hit these moves.
Look at that.
Hit the.
Look what happened when I.
Oh my god.
What happened?
Imagine you freaking.
He looped the bike.
Yeah, look at my bike.
Your bike's small. Oh, dude, look at his seat. What the fuck?
Pull it up anymore.
Dude, how can you even ride this? Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. I feel my back. Oh, my back.
Bro, lift your seat up.
No, I really better that way.
That is not correct.
Look at this shit.
Yeah, look at this shit. I'm riding like this.
Yo!
Well, I should be saying yo. Yo, that's my bike.
I can say the same thing.
Shit, what if I just ram straight into that? Ah! What the fuck? Your bike's screaming for its life. Oh shit. Yo, we could WWE this table. Wheelie that shit.
I cannot ride this shit.
Oh, I just popped it up. See that shit? Yo, this bike's awesome to pick it up. You could do this. Look, watch this shit. Yo, you could literally wheelie this. Hold on, can I put the seat down? I have an Allen wrench on me.
No, you don't need that. You can just put it down.
I can?
Yeah. Hang on this bike.
After this way?
Nope. Oh, fuck! Yo, this is insane. I like the suspension on this thing. Oh, I gotta get me a mountain bike. You see me on this shit? Hold on, record me. Hold on my phone. Boys, hold up. Hey, Jack, we got the Teddy bike. We got the Hawk. Oh. Oh. Ah. Oh my God. Your bike feels like a monster. One last one shot. Oh. Oh! Andrew Tate? We got Andrew Tate in the building. Yeah, right there. You're gonna get worse. Go on. You want water? Better shoot it.
Did you even raise it?
Yeah, I did. Oh my God, that feels so bad. Like, look how easy it is to wheelie now. And I'm not gonna crash. I can pick it up rivers, like, way easier.
No point of you making it harder for yourself.
But I don't feel comfortable using this because yeah, I know, it's too like, no, I can't.
I wanna take my bike, like swap all the parts that's rusty and stuff.
Really? Wait, shut the up! Wait. I don't think I'm gonna wait. Did they actually say some words?
Yeah.
Besides wait? Oh, I think it.
Walk.
Walk your ass down the block, piece of shit. Why? You went in your house. You were in your house. How come you didn't tell her?
How's she gonna figure out?
She said
She was watching him.
I didn't ask her, and plus she said I couldn't go, but it's okay.
This would have been so much more fun if we had like actual motorcycles.
We had dirt bike.
We have bikes. He has a motorcycle and I have a motorcycle.
Yeah, I have an Uber scooter.
You gotta get one, bro. You gotta get one.
Yeah, well, like, there's really no point now because I'm gonna be able to drive a car and a motorcycle after a few months.
I know, right? Yeah. Then get
The
one.
bike will be fun.
I know, right?
I don't know how you sit down and wheelie like that.
What do you mean?
You freaking don't.
It's just like, I mean, like, you just gotta, look. I used to do that. I literally used to do that. You just gotta, like, you gotta transfer your weight.
I didn't practice.
Look, you gotta transfer your weight like this. You're doing this. Watch, you're doing this. You're doing that. That's called a catwalk. Where your butt doesn't touch a thing. And then you just go back down. It's not. When you do this, it's a lot easier to keep it going. Huh? Your mom's calling you? Fucking hell. Oh, the wind just stopped. Thank God. Ah. You're a bitch. If you guys enjoy the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I bet you liked.
What do you gotta say? This kid's getting grounded when he gets home.